Umattend na ng pinakahihintay nating lahat, ang Life Church Family Day and Water Baptism sa September 13 at 26th anniversary sa September 14. On September 13, this will be held sa Life Church alas 8 ng umaga. Magkakaroon ng ball games, larong Pinoy, parlor games, at ang ating dance sport for all ages. Dito rin gaganapin ang ating water baptism. Kaya kung gusto nyong mabaptize, lapit lang sa front desk after the service. And on Sunday, September 14, sama-sama tayong magpasalamat kay Lord for all the things that He has done sa Life Church. Umattend ng ating services.
Rise on high, we praise you with one voice. We come together on one desire to praise you and lift you up.
Siguradong may mga sorpresang nag-aabang sa inyo.
Come on, put your hands together one time. Let me see you move. Come on. It's the season for the favor of the Lord. Say, it's the season for the favor of the Lord. It's the season for the favor of the Lord. Soul is thirsty for it.
We are still in need of layout artist and writer for Ion, the official publication of Life Church. If you're interested, just contact John Abril. Ikaw ba ay Kristiyanong Palawenyo? Iboto na ang Underground River at Ibasahari, maging Chocolate Hills, sa New 7 Wonders of Nature. Maglagoan lang dito. Continue to attend our morning watch every Saturday. 5:30 po hindi alas 6, sa Live Auditorium. Yanigin natin ang langit sa ating mga panalangin para sa ating bansa, probinsya at simbahan. Watch out! Paparating na ang One Day Film School this September. For details, lapit lang sa information booth after the service. Abangan muli ang ating mga announcements next week. Ako si John para sa Live News.